Next up, I'm going to have a look around the Yamaha. Now, Yamaha's made a few changes to the Tenere A7. So the Tenere A7's now got a few different options, so we're going to have a quick look at them. And I've got a couple other bikes I'm really quite interested in looking at, especially changes to the MT09 because that's got a new face to it, so we're going to have a look at that. All right, let's get in there and have a look. So let's start off with this one. This is the Yamaha Tenere Explorer. So we've still got the base Tenere T7. With this Explorer model, we've got a really nice setup with the panniers. Got a really nice forest green engine guards, roll wheels with a gold suspension on the front. That's a really nice rugged off-road look to it. We can closely follow that with the world grade. So the world grade has got the dual fuel tank set up on it. It's got twin filling tank to extend your range. All-in front steering dampener as well. Again, adjustable suspension. But what I do like is how strong those engine bars look. Look at that skid plate. That bash guard, skid plate, however you want to call it. It looks industrial. Really thick, really strong. Like it doesn't require changing out. It's got the accessory lights hanging off those engine bars as well. And we really like those front headlights, as always. Last one up on the Tenere line is the Extreme. So when you have a look at the Extreme, they've stripped a lot of it back, but they've uprated the front suspension to KYBs, and now we've got that front mud guard to give it that motocross look to it. Unlike the world raids, we're back down to single fuel tank, not that twin tank. And we've got the same setup with the controls and dash. Right. Let's see if we can find the new MT09. There we go. This is the MT09 SP. Sorry. On you go. So it's that now. Brand new headlight sign. So we've got projectors up top. And those really sharp LED headlights. So we've got the SP style into this. Got silver and black set off with the Yamaha blue. Again, blue on the wheels as well. I've previously ridden the older model with the older style headlight. This facelift model, new for 2024. Here's the MT09 standard version. This one does actually look really quite muscular and aggressive, thanks to the front plate here and those handguards on the handlebars. It gives it a really sort of strong presence to match that new aggressive front light styling. I think the only thing I'm not sure about is how this sort of satin navy blue fits with the royal blue on the rest of the tank. Hello? Nice.